What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to my 2008 Acura TL Type S. Now if you guys watched my last video where I talked about some updates and if I was selling the car, what mods I wanted to do, you'll know that I wanted to do an electric valve cutout, and in today's video we're going to be installing that. Now I wasn't really able to film the whole process to the full extent just because my father had actually picked up the car from my work and I was at work for the first hour of the process, but I tried to film as much of it as I could. When I got there, they had the old exhaust on the ground. They had already put the stock exhaust back in, so you guys will know that the exhaust that I did have was just the resonator. Then there was no mid muffler or no rear mufflers, so it was just straight piped from the resonator. But with that, there was a lot of drone and it wasn't really that loud. The tone was all right, but I wanted it to be a little bit louder. So what I did now was I cut off the resonator, put the stock exhaust back on so it has the two mufflers in the back, the mid mufflers, and then replacing the resonator is the electronic valve cutout, which is able to open and close to go straight through the exhaust or to hit all the mufflers, so there's no drone and you can't even tell that there's an exhaust on the car. So the main reason that I wanted to do this was just because I take a lot of long drives and also drives on the highway, and the drone was getting really bad to the point where I had to kind of yell over myself and put the music up really loud just to be able to hear it. So the valve is kind of the best of both worlds, where I'm able to get some, or actually a lot of exhaust note, but also have it be really silent, so when I'm cruising on the highway there's absolutely no drone and it just sounds stock. Tips are a little bit smaller. These ones are about 3 inches and the other tips that I had were 3.5, but on these ones you can see all the black in here, so it makes it look a lot smaller. The other ones were just all silver, so it looked really big. I thought it looked pretty good, but obviously with the stock tips, these are designed for the car so they sit flush and just give it a clean line. Would have loved to vlog this whole process, but like I said, I was unable to be there the whole time, so I'm just going to put a little montage together of all the videos that I took. I'm also going to do a lot of exhaust clips when it's closed so you guys can listen to how quiet it is and there's no drone. Honestly, it just sounds stock, and then obviously I'll open it up, let it rip, and you guys can hear what it sounds like when it's straight piped from the cat. Without further ado, let's travel back in time and you guys can see the whole process.
Perfect.
You guys enjoyed this quick little video on the new exhaust for the TL Type S. The valve will be linked in the description below. I actually got it off Amazon. It was only about 150 bucks, but so far so good. Has that little remote to open and close it really quick. So just overall a great addition to the car. I'll most likely be doing more content with the exhaust in the future, so let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see more of that. I personally think it sounds pretty good. It's definitely louder. There's a lot more tone and rasp. It gives the car a little bit more character, but then you can click that valve and it'll close them up automatically, just so you can be able to enjoy a nice quiet ride, say if you're on the highway or you don't want to have any rasp or drone or anything like that, which is definitely worth it for me doing these long drives. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to click the like button, click subscribe if you're new. We're almost at 350 subscribers. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot more supercar content, hopefully some reviews with some Lamborghinis and some Ferraris with the connections that I've already built, and definitely going to be doing some more stuff with these guys right here at Savage Garage. That effectively is going to end today's video, so remember to be kind, be happy, and be grateful, and we'll see you in the next one.